too long. Don't wait too long. Don't wait too long.
Okay, so I was like halfway through my live and doing my makeup, and I got the notification that my boots came. So let me go get them. The way I'm praying that these boots fit, so they're from Public Desire. Should I do them both at the same time? I don't know what it is, but the last few packages that I received, they've just been like physically like dirty. I don't know, it doesn't really matter. It just feels grimy on the outside. Neither here nor there though. These need to be in my size. Like, what I found weird was the site, it was called Public Desire USA, but these definitely came from Manchester in England. So I don't know what's going on, but yeah, they came from the United Kingdom. I will insert like how long it took to receive them and all of that. Okay, I have to go on TikTok live. Like, this is the moment that like I need from every angle. It's like a dupe for the, I was gonna say a dupe for the Steve Madden, but really Steve Madden is a dupe for Versace. You guys, I have to try these on right now. Oh my god. And each individual shoe comes in a dust bag of its own with the Public Desire branding on it. And just to show you, yeah, I just love the color scheme and everything. I will be keeping the box to store in. There's also, you know, a little return tag, whatever. You guys, they came just in time. I bought a hot outfit to wear tonight. So this is like, the fact that they came, oh my god. You guys, they fit. And like, they're a hint too big because I got them in a US 8, but it's like a half size too big, which is excellent because it's winter and I bought them as winter boots. So that just means I can actually layer socks and be warm in them. Like, this is amazing. This is amazing. I also don't know how necessary this is to you, but they are currently sold out. If they come back in stock, I'm gonna let y'all know. I felt like the Steve Madden ones were like too clunky, and obviously the Versace ones were too expensive. So this is like perfect. I'm probably gonna have to get some grip, but no complaints. This is what I wanted, and it fits like a dream. It smells like leather. Period. I'm so happy. And I can't wait to show you the outfit. Should I just show you the outfit? No. Actually, yes, because I'm very unpredictable and I don't want to forget and like leave this out. Okay, so from the Summer Rae collection, this was on sale. I got this at Urban Planet. It was like $12. I don't know. Basically, the shirt I own already, but it has a tie, so it's a little bit more dressy. And then, of course, some faux leather. These are like leggings. They're more on the legging side because they're super duper thin, but they have like a super deep slit in the front, which I think will look really cute with the boots. So yeah, when I get all dressed up and it's all ready to go, I'm going to show you guys. Also, I'm thinking, like, if I had anything to do during the day, then I would totally wear these. But I'm not the type of person who wears sunglasses at night. I just get too disoriented. And I like having my peripheral, but look, I kept these from one of my cheating ass exes. And I don't know, they're like super in style. I was gonna sell them, but they're very much in style now, so I don't know. I might incorporate it into the look. Okay, I'm gonna use this sticky thing because my top is like cut like that. Whatever. Okay. This is the top. So far, I'm obsessed. Like, it's snug. I'm happy I got it in a small. I didn't have to readjust the tie. This is a vibe. Okay, I don't know exactly what I'm doing with my hair, but I'ma do something. I like it down. I might leave it down, but it's kind of boring. Not boring. That's not the word. Maybe I'll do half up, half down. I don't know what bag I'm gonna bring. Probably my mini purse. But yeah, I'm gonna put pantyhose on. This is just kind of like the try on. I'm still gonna potentially take this off and eat something, or like cover up and eat something. Cause ain't no way I'm taking shots on an empty stomach. Almost died the last few times I went out. The start of the show. You can, the start of the show. But like, this is a look, huh? Can you see me that well? I feel like the light is kind of shit. Oh, this is good. This is good. Because I was concerned that you wouldn't be able to tell that the boots... Yes, you could tell. that there's a split, there's a separation, that I am in fact that bitch. Yeah, this is the vibe. This is this is the vibe. Okay, let me just put on the other boot for shits and giggles and try on the jacket with it. But real talks, I don't know what jacket I'm gonna wear. Like, I doubt I'm actually gonna end up wearing a jacket. This is such a vibe. Yeah, Earth Planet, this is the Summer Rae collab. Originally 20, I got it for like 10. We're having a quick DIY moment, okay? This, I think it's an umbrella holder. I need a hair tie big enough to hold these braids. I'm gonna cut this off of this. Problem solved. Okay, got it, finally. Basically, it's adjustable, so I'm gonna get my hair around it and in the position that I want, which is a high pony. And then, I don't know. We're gonna figure this out though. I'm gonna put it at the back so that the ponytail can cover it. I hope it's sturdy enough. Like, it feels like it actually will stay, but I don't know. Gotta find the moving braid. Okay. But it like worked. Maybe let me make it tighter. Okay. I don't mind if there's like a little dangly bead thing. It's actually kind of a vibe. Like, it stays, but it feels still kind of loose. Like, as I'm dancing, it's gonna loosen. Definitely trial and error. I'm also trying to be super gentle on my braids because I want these to look as crispy and fresh as possible for as long as humanly possible. It's kind of hurting my scalp, just the weight, but it's not tight enough for me though. I'm gonna figure it out. I'm gonna figure this out, how to secure it. My other thought is to get the leftover braiding hair and make a big braid and just tie it. I don't know though. I still don't even know what jacket I'm wearing. Let's figure that out. I mean, of course it's giving. Like, this is the only outfit technically that I wear. It's just different variations of it. Okay, this hairstyle is not giving. I'm either gonna do it down. Maybe I should do 3. Yeah, why not? I think this is cute. But God knows I'm probably gonna change it 30 more times before I leave. I don't even know what the back looks like, so let's figure that out. Okay, we're good. It's nice and symmetrical. Looks good from every angle. It just looks good, like, straight up. This girl did an amazing job. But now that I'm like messing around with my hair more, it's the outfit that's not giving for me. It's more so my body, but I don't know. Let me see what else I can do. Okay, honestly, I don't like how much just pressure in general this is putting on my hair. It's a vibe. Oh yes, it's a vibe. I'm probably not wearing these pants though, let's be honest. Okay, I'm kind of changing my mind, not with the pants, a little with the pants, but more like with the shirt. I want to do a one shoulder moment, but I'm gonna roll this up. You'll see. Give it a sec. So this is the top on. I'm going to, without flashing you, tuck this in. Pretty much just roll it in on itself. But fuck, hold on. It's not super uniform, but it takes the pressure from the shirt because the shirt is so tight. Like, I should have low-key got a medium because that shirt is so fucking tight that it was making my tummy look weird. Like, the pants look a lot better now, I think. Cute. Last time I went out, I wore this top like this, but I wore different pants, so we good. Yup. Extra deodorant because I'm not about to play. I feel like all I'm missing are like big earrings. Am I wrong? But the thing about big earrings and this mask protocol, I cannot, like I can't be bothered. Do I want to do a dangly? This is a vibe and a half. Okay, yeah, I'm probably just gonna make some ramen and chill until it's time for me to go. Bye.
Don't wait too long.